Hello, my name is David Bradburn. I'm with Zoomax, and I'm here today to talk about unpacking Snow 12. In this video, you'll learn what's inside the box and what its purpose is for. Okay, so we're going to look at what's inside the box, and here we have a Snow 12. It's a brand new unit. I'm going to lift the lid up. I'll place that towards the back here. And what we find inside, the first thing that we find actually is a plastic envelope that contains a large print user guide. There's also, if you notice at the very bottom here, a tiny USB to USB Type-C converter. We'll explain this in another video. Underneath the user guide, we have a registration card, there's a quick guide, and then finally a screen cleaning cloth that you can use. I'll place that to one side. So there's a couple of protective elements inside the box. I'm going to move the first one to the side, and what we will find underneath is a gray sleeve. You'll see the Zoomax logo at the top here, and inside here is the Snow 12 magnifier. We're going to look at that in a different video. So I'm just going to place this to one side as well. There's another foam insert. We'll place that out of the way too, and below we find the sturdy carrying case that comes with the Snow 12. I'm going to move my box, or what's left of it, to the side, and we're going to undo the zipper and push the lid backwards. So a couple of things to say. So inside here is the foldable frame. There is a zipped pocket inside the lid of the case. There's only one thing inside here at the moment, and that is a detachable shoulder strap that we can actually attach to this carry case for easier transporting. I'll put it back for right now. There is a flap below, which it sticks together with Velcro. I'm going to just kind of fold that open, and what we see is another little plastic insert with a variety of different cables. On the left-hand side, we actually have the two components that comprise the power cable. So there's the end with the plug, which of course goes into the wall, and then the other end would plug into the transformer like so, and the other end of this would then plug into the Snow 12. So I'm just going to leave those there for right now. And over on the right-hand side, we have two additional cables. The first is a USB to USB Type-C cable. We'll be using this when we connect Snow 12 to a computer for file transfer. And the other cable that's here is an HDMI cable. So you can use this in conjunction with the HDMI out port on the side of Snow 12 to connect to an external monitor if you wish. Let me just very briefly remove that insert. And below here then is the foldable case. Again, we will look at this in more detail in a different video. And if we're putting everything back, the foldable stand goes in first. You don't need to have this insert once you've actually unpacked everything. The cables can actually go inside the zipped pocket inside the lid. And we close the zippers, and we're done. So that concludes this video. So thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about Snow 12 or any of the other products from Zoomax, please visit our website at www.zoomax.com.